Hello, my name is Andy Wood, Head of School for Think Global School. Congratulations on discovering the world's first and only traveling high school. Here's a look at what makes a TGS education so unique. At TGS, you'll be joining the world's most innovative school, and the world will become your classroom. Each year, you'll travel to 4 countries to gain an education through experiential learning and projects that take full advantage of the countries we call home. Best of all, you'll do so amongst a small student body hailing from all across the globe. Imagine learning about Brazil's incredible marine ecosystems by snorkeling and collecting data in All Saints Bay, or exploring Vietnamese culture by participating in a Lunar New Year festival in Hanoi. Rather than learning through textbooks and lectures like at traditional schools, we immerse ourselves in different cultures and communities to actively learn through real-world scenarios. There's nothing else like it. That's not to say that an education at TGS isn't challenging. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Rather than sitting in teacher-led lectures, you'll take charge of your education by participating in project-based learning. Project-based learning provides students with driving questions to solve. These projects, guided by our teachers, require equal parts of creativity, critical thinking, and collaboration. You'll master a variety of skills along your TGS journey and graduate ready to create meaningful change in the world, whether at university or through initiatives of your own. Does this sound like the opportunity of a lifetime? If so, we encourage you to apply today. We look forward to welcoming you to our community.